So the sworn declaration, so madali madali lang din 'to, is just a template lang talaga. So kailangan niyo lang palitan yung mga, for example, the province of Quezon, palitan niyo kung ano yung province kayo. City of Sampaloc, ayan, palitan niyo. And then dito naman is your name. I, Monkey D. Luffy, Filipino, ayan. Owner of, ilagay niyo, i-check niyo yung certificate of registration niyo if may mga trade name kayo. Yan yung ilalagay niyo dito. And then the business address, again, same dapat dun sa inyong certificate of registration. And then dito naman sa baba, again, this is just ending December 31, 2025. And then the contents of the DVD-Rs or USBs being submitted to conform with the prescribed format. Again, template lang yan. Under RMC, ayan, 57-2015. So no need to replace or hindi nyo na kailangan palitan yan. And then last statement is the summary list of inventory, ayan, have been made in good faith. Ayan, so ibig sabihin, in good faith yung mga details na nakalagay sa inventory niyo. Complete, in good faith, ayan, and true and correct, ayan. Yan yung nakalagay sa third na statement. And then dito, you just put your name and signature, ayan, of the taxpayer or the authorized representative, yung dapat dito. So, kayo mismo, yung name nyo and then signature, your TIN, and then kailangan nyo ipa-notarize sa isang attorney. So, notary public, I mean. So, ayan. So, once na notarize, ayan, hingi kayo ng at least 3 copies, original copies na notarized because yun nga, some RDOs would require 3 copies.